Cleaning. We are in Caledonia today. We are with Darrick Davidson Heating, Cooling, and Duct Cleaning. Hi, Darrick.
Hi, how are you?
Thanks for having us back.
Oh, sure, no problem.
You always teach us a lot.
I try to, I guess.
And for example, he's going to teach us what is in our utility room. Pretend I am a new homeowner. I have gone into my basement and I'm like, ooh. I don't know what any of this stuff is.
Okay, yeah.
Give me like a brief synopsis of what we're looking at.
Because most people, they don't really go into the utility room unless they got a problem, right?
Exactly.
And that's when they call us in and they say, hey, I don't have enough heat or I don't have enough
Something's
cool
going on with this.
Yeah, anyway, so like in this utility room, we've got our American Standard furnace there, right?
Okay.
We've got a UV light here. We've got a humidifier there.
What does a UV light do?
UV light, it's the same thing. It goes in there and it adds light. It's basically like bringing sunlight into your ductwork, right? Because if you figure where mold grows, mold never grows in the sun, or like even fungus or anything never grows in the sun. So that's basically what it is bringing the sunlight into your ductwork.
So smart. So it's like filtering out the germs in your air.
Kills all the germs and viruses and everything. So if somebody coughs upstairs or sneezes and it comes down the ductwork, right? Cool. It's going to be killed all the viruses.
Okay, I didn't know that. Right? Okay, what's this?
So that's your humidifier. Okay. Right? It humidifies the house in the wintertime. So I was
going to say, why is that important?
Sometimes you wake up and you're like,
dry.
Dry, exactly it, right? So then you need a humidifier to bring the humidity back up. Plus, it's good if you have hardwoods that people may not know, but hardwoods dry out the house, and sometimes your hardwoods can like buckle, right? If you don't have enough humidity in the house.
Interesting. Exactly it, okay, so you flip it on in the winter, but you turn it off in the summer.
That's right. Yeah. Exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm seeing this big white thing. It's coming up. It's coming up. It goes to there. What is that?
It's like a HRV or ERV.
Okay.
Basically, if you're in your house and your windows, you get like a little bit of moisture on your windows
like
in the winter
condensation?
time. Yeah, condensation. Yeah. Just like at the bottom of the windows, and you're constantly rubbing it off, and it's constantly coming back. So you need one of these guys here, and basically what it does, it brings fresh air from inside the house, right? But it's basically there's an interchange in there, so the fresh air and outside air, it gets pushed outside.
So there's ways to fix that. See, I always thought there was a problem with the windows.
Yeah, no problems with the windows. It's just the indoor air quality, right?
Interesting.
So yeah, we can get rid of that water that's inside the house.
Oh my gosh,
there's so.
Okay, is there anything that I'm missing that you think we should talk about?
Well, this is a tankless hot water heater.
Oh.
Like, it just hangs on the wall.
It's so small.
Yeah, the big hot water tank that was here was actually take up this whole area. You couldn't even get to the electrical panel, but with this one, it's a tankless water heater, and it's it just hangs on the side of the wall.
Amazing.
Plus you don't have a big tank of water sitting there all the time.
Okay. All right. Well, that is like a brief outline of what's in your utility room. Coming up, I know we're going to do some duct cleaning, treasure hunting, so make sure you stay with us for that, because I think it's probably going to be kind of yucky. Lots more to come on Morning Live. Don't go anywhere. Well, we're back here at Darrick Davidson Heating, Cooling, and Duct Cleaning, and I believe, Darrick, we're just about to do a little bit of a treasure hunt.
Treasure hunt. That's, exactly it.
Okay, tell me what's going on here.
Okay, so out of our duct cleaning bag, this is basically our treasure, right? So this is it. So this is all that we get from duct cleaning. Oh yeah, watch yourself there.
It's a little dusty. Okay.
Maybe you need gloves.
So I'm going to put some gloves on, and then we're going to see what people find in their homes when you clean out your duct. Now, why is duct cleaning so important?
Duct cleaning is important because you want to breathe this stuff in. Like, look at all this stuff. Like, right?
Gross.
You don't want to breathe that in. Do you want to breathe that in?
There's something. What is that? Oh, there's wrappers. Yeah. That looks like dog food, maybe.
So anything that can be sucked into the ductwork is,
Yeah.
It's not,
Yeah.
Yeah. But imagine just breathing that stuff in, right? Yeah.
No, thank you.
Right? So that's.
This is pretty self-explanatory why you should get your ducts cleaned.
Yeah, exactly it, right?
Now, how often should you do it?
You should do it like every 3 years. Like that's what we kind of say, that every 3 years you should have it done. But I mean, if you have more pets or more people in your house, that's.
Or a kid that has a fascination with Cheerios, because there's a kid sitting there throwing Cheerios down the bed.
That's something, right? So, yeah, it's pretty disgusting, right? Yeah. Don't breathe that in. We put mask there, but.
You should have put it on. Okay, so every 3 years. Now, how long does it normally take to clean the ducts in your home?
Usually takes, depends on the package, right? Like our basic package only takes about 4 hours, and then our ultimate package takes between 7 and 8 hours, right?
What's the difference between the two packages?
Well, one package we just basically go in and do the ductwork.
Okay, and that's this.
Yeah, this stuff. Get rid of this.
Okay.
And our ultimate package, it comes with a UV light. So what the UV light is, it kills viruses, kills bacteria, all that sort of stuff.
Okay.
So all this stuff might contain mold, mildew, anything, right? Because if you figure out in air conditioning season, it's moist in there and it's really dark. So all this stuff can kind of create mold.
Ugh.
Where the UV light just kills it.
It's amazing, when you think about it. Now, because people get called all the time. I get randomly called.
Okay, yeah.
By people being like, "Can we, I want to come and clean your ducts."
Yeah.
There's so
scams,
many.
Right?
Yeah, there's so many out there.
Yeah. And we'll never call you. You just call us.
Yeah.
Right. You can go on our website and see our packages. We got our 3 packages up there. Just pick whatever package you want and call Jen in the office.
Okay.
And just go from there.
What's the best time of year to get your ducts cleaned?
Usually in the fall and in the spring.
Okay, so perfect time right now.
Yeah, perfect time right now. Right?
Before winter settles in and you start using your furnace and everything,
exactly
right?
Exactly.
Okay, there is so much more coming up, so make sure you stay with us. We're going to tidy this mess up. Okay, we are back in the utility room after you saw us clean out some really gross stuff out of your ducts. Darrick, tell me a little bit about this little machine. Now, we missed this when we were kind of going through what's in your utility room, what's it good for, and what does it do?
Well, this one, it's a premium top of the line. It's American standard.
Okay.
It's certified, the only air filter certified by the Asthma and Allergy Association of America.
Amazing.
Right? So what it does, it just filters, does a great job of filtering the air through.
Okay.
Right?
And these things over here, now these are different types of air filters. So let's go back to me being the brand new homeowner. I look at something like this and I think, well, that doesn't look very efficient.
Yeah, typically this filter, what you're looking at there, it's really inefficient. It's like $2.99. Sometimes you get it on sale for 98 cents.
Hey.
But if you look through it, even if you hold it up to the window there,
you can see right through it.
There,
I can totally see Luke right now, and you.
So imagine that in your house, trying to stop any or filter anything in there, right? So then you move on to the next kind of thing. It's we call this the. You can't
I'm not seeing anything.
Yeah. So it's you just got to change that once a year. It's a little bit more expensive, but it does filter through a lot more of the stuff that's in the ductwork. Okay,
now I know that this super duper Asthma Association certified air filter, you've put it in people's homes and it's really made a difference to their lives.
That's right, yeah, exactly. So we've put it in one house where you can read our reviews on Google. There's a lot of reviews for this. The one thing is that one homeowner, they were having some health issues and they had a dog, and they thought they'd have to have the dog move out or they'd have to find another home for Buddy. So what they did was we put one of these in and we did an ultimate duct cleaning there as well. And they didn't actually have the dog move out.
Really? The air quality improved that much that Buddy could stay?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Oh, that's the sweetest story. Now, I know that this is a cleaning tool. I don't really know how it could be. It's just like a piece of styrofoam, really. This is what you use to clean this fancy machine?
That's right.
That's incredible.
Man. Okay, so then what we got down here, this one's pretty dirty.
Ooh,
right?
Yeah.
That one's, oh, wow.
Yeah.
Right, we knew you were coming, so we didn't clean it. So what this tool does, it comes with the machine. See these little pins there?
Yep.
What this does is basically it goes in, and you gotta go around and clean. So you see that little thing there?
Oh, yeah.
So it's a bit labor intensive this way.
Yeah.
But
5 minutes for better air quality.
Exactly it, right? And it just aligns the pins. So we do that too. It's got these other cells in there.
Oh, wow.
So everything gets lodged in here. You got to clean this out too.
You clean this yourself and then put this one back in, but that one you also clean, so that one you just wash?
You can clean that too, and you can clean this too.
Okay,
right?
You just wash the whole thing. And how often do you have to clean it?
Once every 3 months.
Oh, that's not bad.
Right?
Okay.
Exactly it.
Depending on the season and how much you're
Yeah, we've got maintenance programs because sometimes with your busy schedule,
it's hard to remember.
It's hard to remember.
I know, my thermostat reminds me too. Time to change your air filter. Okay, I know you guys are doing something really cool. You're giving away a bunch of stuff. What's the 12-day giveaway? 12
days of giving is like we want to give back. So starting December 1st, we're going to, every day for 12 days, we're going to give something away.
Oh, to the community.
To the community, exactly it. So you'll see it on Facebook.
Okay.
Right, so we'll put it up there, and all you have to do is like and share it.
Yeah, and you're entered to win.
Comment, and you're entered to win.
Oh, that's so great. Exactly. And I know coming up in the next segment, we're actually going to be talking about something really great about giving back to the community. So make sure you stay with us. Don't go anywhere. We're here in Caledonia with Darrick Davidson Heating, Cooling, and Duct Cleaning. Furnaces. We've talked a lot about heating, cooling, duct cleaning. That's exactly what you guys do here. And I understand you are doing something really special for the community.
We are. We've started a foundation. It's called Davidson Cares, right? And what it is basically, it's about the community.
Okay.
Right? So we're basically giving away a furnace.
Wow.
Right? I know, right? It's one of those things that because of the time of the year, it's like closer to Christmas and that sort of thing. We got inflation, we got like all that sort of stuff, and there's some people in the community that might not be able to afford like heat this year or into this year. So,
that's so great. Now, if I want to enter the contest, or if anybody wants to enter the contest, how do they do that?
Well, we're going to have it's going to be on Facebook, Instagram. So you go to Facebook, Instagram.
Darrick Davidson?
Yeah, Darrick Davidson, right. You can like and share that, right? But the whole thing is that you submit your story and your name and all that. But when we put it up on Facebook, we're not going to post your name. It's just going to be about your story. So it's just going to be anonymous. So then every member in the community gets to vote on it. And the story with the most votes wins a furnace.
That's such a great way of doing it, because you guys probably get so many amazing, touching stories that you just can't pick one. So you leave it up to the community.
Yeah, leave it up to the community and take the name off of it. So, you know, you don't have that favoritism.
Oh, that's such a great idea.
So that's great, right? So,
okay, so what kind of furnace is it that you're going to be?
Well, we're going to be giving away one of these. It's we've partnered with American Standard to give away an American Standard furnace, completely installed with a warranty and everything, right? So,
wow, how long is the warranty for?
The warranty is for 10 years. We did this originally in I believe 2021. We had the same sort of contest, and it went away to a great guy in town, Craig Peters.
Yeah.
Right. Just amazing guy. He does so much for the community.
Awesome.
Right? And that's what we want to continue on.
Yeah.
That you know, you do something amazing for the community. We want you to be recognized. And,
it'll come back to you.
Exactly it.
Yeah. Oh, well, that is so great. I'm so glad to hear that. Okay, so you have a chance to enter to win one of these. All you have to do is submit your story online to Darrick Davidson on Facebook, Instagram. You can get the information there. Thank you so much for having us today.
Oh, sure, yeah, no problem.
It's always a pleasure to see you guys. Yeah. And we're going to have all of the information up on our website as well at chch.com.